Hi, this is Jeff Flanagan. I am doing the final project for CNG 201 summer semester 2019 at Front Range Community College. I have this right here. So we're going to be doing project 2, which is using the cron daemon to execute a scheduled command, which is a simple script. We're going to configure that to run only on class days every 5 minutes, gathering memory usage and adding that information to a file called temp memory usage. So here I already have the final product here, gathering the output from memory usage, or we're actually grabbing the tail end of the file here, and we're just leaving that open so we can see the process as it goes. But for right now, I'll just take you back through this so I can show you exactly how I did this. Over here I have this kind of all laid out for you here so you can follow along a little bit better. Sorry my window is a little small. It doesn't really like the scaled mode. So, but first we just want to go ahead and make our final project file using our touch final project.sh. I just called mine final project because it just made sense. So yeah, I'm already there. So I'll just show that I already made final project.sh. It's in there. And then you want to go ahead and make sure you change the file permissions on there to make it executable. And so since I'm the only one using this, I just made the whole thing executable. So you can see here, readable, writable, executable by anyone and everyone. Everyone can do everything. Everyone's happy. So then next, go ahead and make the memory.usage file where it's all going to be stored. So I'll just go into temp here, and we're just going to list and see that I already have memory.usage in here, right where it's supposed to be. So then we go in and actually make the script. So like I have over there, we'll go into Vim, or VI that is. Nope, I am in the wrong place. Gotta go back, do that again. Now we're in the right place. Alright. So here we have our shebang, which is the interpreter to open bin sh here, the shell. So this will run and open this to execute these commands. So first we have date, just running the date command. The output is, instead of output to the screen, is going to be appending this our memory.usage file. Same thing is going to be happening with free. This shows our memory usage, and then we're going to pipe that into grep, and grep's going to grab only the things that are associated with our mem line, and then we're going to append that our memory.usage that to memory.usage as well. And then 2 is getting directed to the null folder, which is 2 is only delineating error messages. So anything that's an error is going to be going to null. And we don't really care about that in this situation, apparently. And so since we have that script set up, now we can go ahead and configure our cron using crontab. Well, actually, I'll show you just the commands that it's using. It's going to be using date, redirecting that to the file, and then free just does the memory usage there, and then we can do pipe that to grep, and we're just looking for mem. And so it's just directing that line to append to that file. So now when we look at crontab, this is where we schedule that file to be open. So here we have just the date hierarchy set up. So here's a minute, hour, day of month, month, and day of week. So I have it set up to run every 5 minutes, of every hour, of every day, of every month, of every day of the week. In the assignment, it says to run on only class days. Since we're online, that's kind of every day for me. But Tuesdays and Thursdays would be 2 and 4, where Sunday would be 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, Thursday 4. And then this file gets opened every 5 minutes when this executes. And so we just have the path here, the absolute path, just so that it's found and can run that final project, which opens and then executes those commands. So we're not going to save that change there because we're still working on this. All right, so we have everything set up. Our cron is going to work every 5 minutes to take that memory usage and the date, and we'll show that with our command here. So now we have the last 10 lines, or pretty much the last 5 entries, showing our memory.usage. And you can see here, this is our usage, this is our free memory still. You can see that it's all pretty close together because I haven't really done any other processes on here besides just me going to different directories. And I have an example over here because our time doesn't usually work out, except it did just tick. That here I ran the script, and this is without doing anything. And then I went ahead and opened 5 more terminals and then waited 5 minutes, and then it gave me this big spike in memory usage. And then I went ahead and opened bootlog to edit without actually editing it, and then it spiked up just a little bit higher. It was a pretty big file, but not super huge, not as much as opening 5 terminals and sucking all that memory. So that's it. Not super crazy difficult or anything. It's just few good things to learn about where and how to use scripts and redirecting output. I hope this was helpful, and I thought this was a really great project, and thanks for watching.